Street food, it's the heartbeat of a city. Raw, real, and delicious. Forget fancy restaurants, the best food is cooked on the streets. From Bangkok to Barcelona, the aroma tells a story. It's a story of culture, of passion, of survival. It's a story everyone can taste. There's something irresistible about the sizzle of a grill, the steam rising from a wok. It's a sensory overload. The colors, the smells, the sounds. It's a symphony of flavor waiting to be devoured. Street food is honest food, made with love, made to share. Asia, a continent exploding with flavor. The street food scene is electric. Imagine the bustling streets of Bangkok. The air is thick with the scent of lemongrass and chili. Pad Thai noodles sizzle on a hot wok. The aroma hits you like a warm hug. Move on to Tokyo. Neon lights illuminate the night. The smell of grilled yakitori skewers fills the air. Savory, smoky, and utterly addictive. Each bite is an explosion of umami. From steaming bowls of ramen to delicate sushi, Japan's street food is a culinary adventure. India, a land of spice and flavor. The aroma of samosas frying in hot oil is intoxicating. The taste, spicy, savory, and utterly satisfying. Don't forget the chaat, a symphony of textures and flavors. Crunchy, tangy, and olive oil, perfection in every bite. Africa, a continent bursting with life and flavor. The street food is as diverse as the continent itself. Imagine the bustling markets of Marrakesh. The aroma of spices fills the air. Tagines simmer over hot coals, savory stews, slow cooked to perfection, tender meat, fragrant spices, and fluffy couscous. It's a feast for the senses. Ethiopia, the land of injera and coffee. Injera is a spongy flatbread. It's the perfect vehicle for scooping up spicy stews and lentils. The flavors are bold, earthy, and unforgettable. Kenya, known for its nyama choma, grilled meat cooked over an open fire. The aroma is enough to make your mouth water. The meat is tender, juicy, and full of flavor.